Well, we made it to H Mart. We're having hibachi for New Year's, and we decided to come here and check it out to see if we could get any of the ingredients that we needed for our dinner tonight. Oh my goodness. They have a whole little food court. Oh, wow. Look at the orchids. I don't know what I was expecting either. Those are awesome. Oh, we got our rice. Tim, did you just say, what's this for?
Yeah.
I'm going to pause right here to say we are so overwhelmed. Like, I don't know what we were expecting, but we're overwhelmed now. This is the fruit section. Holy cow. I think all we need is an onion and some zucchini. So they definitely have what we want and need. Okay, whatever durian is, Tim was excited to see it. Oh, I wonder if they have sushi here. Oh my goodness, dried anchovies. These are things I've never seen before ever. There's our garlic.
I know. Look at those Lunchables.
I told you, remember, we need to come here and get things now to try.
Oh, hey. Yeah, you're right.
All right, we're making our way down the noodle aisle. I don't know. Tim's going to go crazy here. That's your section? There are so many noodle options. Holy cow.
I feel neglected in my
This is a whole aisle of ramen and instant noodles, and this is insane, crazy, insane. My kids would love it here. Here's all the chips and snacks. Tim said he doesn't want to do it, but I feel like we have to come back here and get snacks now. We found moon pies. Black sugar milk tea moon pie. Oh, we're doing this. Oh my goodness. Look at that thing.
king crab.
Lobster, all the crabs, all the fish. Holy cow.
I've never been to a place that had live fish.
I know. The crabs are crazy.
There's eel.
Oh no, thank you. Here's up close to those other live Dungeness crabs. I guess they're $14.99 a pound. I'm gonna keep saying holy cow. We made it to the oils and the sauces. And I don't even know how we're gonna choose what we need to get here because there's so much. So they do sell beer and wine here as well. Sriracha. They have meats that are already marinated, and this looks absolutely delicious. Also, I've lost the group. I've lost everybody. I thought I was gonna come over here and find some like egg rolls, but I don't know. Haven't found that yet. They had like just everything. Oh, spring rolls, egg rolls. I don't know, spring rolls. I thought I was lost.
Me too.
You thought I was lost?
Wait till you see the checkout line, though.
Oh, I've seen it. We're not going to talk about it.
This is it right here.
It might be as long as Ainsley's Guardians line.
So, I might just get in it now, but I don't know what else y'all need.
We still need the meat.
Oh, okay.
All right, we've officially entered the line for checkout. So I think it's moving very quickly. And we're just next to the vegetable section, and we're going to stay here and see. But like I said, I think it's moving very fast. All right, the line went really quickly, but now we're here just waiting. But to get to this point went really, really quick. We still did not find yum yum sauce. What else? Oh, and peas and carrots.
Peas and carrots.
So this is the food court area. I don't know. Tim wants to eat here, but I told him that if he eats here, then he can go to Epcot, because any day, this is so crowded in here. It's crowded to me. But anyways, we are in line to spin the wheel. And if you spend a certain amount of money, you get to spin the wheel and you win prizes. So we're here for our free prizes. I feel like we have the potential of some peeled roasted chestnuts, and if we win them, Tim's gonna eat them. Okay, chocolate pie or some chips. I don't know. Let's hope for the high chew. This is the spin to win, and this is the requirement. So here we go. We're almost there. Shrimp tricks. I'm pretty sure Tim and I might have tried those before. All right, let's go, Michelle.
Got you minis.
Yay!
One more.
Let's go, let's go, let's go! Thank you. Michelle spent $100 and we got some hot shoes. Well, we survived our first H Mart experience.